So now we shall begin the study of Bohr model of atom. Niels Bohr proposed his model on the basis of Planck's quantum theory. According to quantum theory, the energy given or taken by a body is not a continuous process, but it takes place in the form of small packets, that is discontinuously. The smallest energy packet is given the name quantum. Planck gave the following formula for energy E, that is E equal to h into nu, where h is known as Planck's constant. Its value is 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule into second, or 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 27 erg into second. Nu is equal to frequency of energy radiations in second inverse, or hertz, that is Hz. Postulates of Bohr model. Number 1. Electrons are continuously moving around the nucleus in circular orbits. Second, the angular momentum of an electron in its orbit is a simple multiple of h upon 2 pi. Therefore, mvr is equal to nh upon 2 pi, where m means mass of an electron, v means linear velocity of that electron, r is radius of the orbit, and the value of n can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. That is the number of orbit. The third postulate is, so long an electron is moving in its orbit, its energy remains constant. That's why these orbits are also known as stationary orbits. But if it jumps from its orbit to an orbit of higher energy, it will absorb energy equal to the difference of energy between these two orbits or energy levels. Similarly, if it jumps to an orbit of lower energy, then it will release energy equal to the difference of energy between these two levels. Thus, E2 minus E1 is equal to h nu, where E2 is energy of higher orbit and E1 is energy of lower orbit. Nu is equal to frequency of energy radiations released or absorbed. Since c is equal to nu lambda, where c is the velocity of light, that is about 3 into 10 to the power 10 centimeter per second, and lambda equal to wavelength of the radiations in centimeter. Hence, E2 minus E1 or delta E is equal to h nu, that is equal to hc by lambda. Further, 1 upon lambda equal to nu bar, wave number in centimeter inverse or length inverse, means the number of waves accommodated in unit distance. Hence, E2 minus E1 is equal to delta E, that's equal to h nu, that's further equal to hc by lambda, or finally it is equal to h into c into nu bar. Derivation for radius r of Bohr orbit. Let z equal to atomic number, that is equal to number of protons in the nucleus, and E equal to unit charge. Therefore, charge of the nucleus of an atom is equal to plus Ze. Since the necessary centripetal force required to keep the electron moving is provided by the electrostatic attraction between the nucleus and the electron, and charge of an electron is equal to E but with negative character. So we have Ze square upon R square equal to mv square upon R. In SI system, Ze square upon R square will be k into Ze square upon R square, where k is a constant whose value is 1 in CGS system. Since the result will remain the same, hence we are adopting CGS system for the sake of simplicity. Or we can write Ze square upon R equal to mv square, mark it as equation number 1. But according to Bohr theory, mvr equal to nh upon 2 pi. Therefore, V is equal to nh upon 2 pi mr. Mark it as equation number 2 and put equation number 2 in equation number 1. Therefore, Ze square upon R becomes equal to m into n square h square divided by 4 pi square m square r square. From this we get an expression for R, that is R equal to n square h square upon 4 pi square m e square into Z.